Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on Tailor. You can also write this content under the topic Write 10 lines on Tailor in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is a tailor is someone who makes clothes. Second line is they use a sewing machine to stitch fabric. Third line is they work with different fabrics like cotton and silk. Fourth line is they measure to make sure clothes fit well. Fifth line is they cut fabric and sew it together to create clothes. Sixth line is they add buttons and zippers for decorations. Seventh line is some tailors make special clothes like wedding dresses. Eighth line is they help make unique and stylish outfits. Ninth line is people visit tailors to get clothes that fit perfectly. Last line is tailors play an important role in the fashion world.